Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily extend OneDrive Space. If you need more OneDrive backup space for your data but don't want to pay for advanced storage plans, you can try some official methods to add bonus space to your OneDrive. Firstly, open your web browser and log into your Office account. Now, click on OneDrive from the menu on the left side. Here, click on the Settings option. As you can see, I have 5 GB of free space, but I can also get more storage. Next, click on the Earn More option. After that, copy this invitation link and share it with others so they can create a new account using that link. Both of you will get 512 MB of free storage. You can buy up to 10 GB of free storage using this method. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any queries, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more useful tips and tutorials.